Hello, welcome to Learn Easy English 123. Today, let's learn English with a simple story. This is a day in the city. In the morning, I go to a coffee shop. I buy coffee at the coffee shop. Next, I go to a bakery. I buy bread at the bakery. I walk past a school and a library. People study and read there. Later, I go to a restaurant. I eat lunch at the restaurant. I stop at the supermarket. I buy food at the supermarket. I visit a bookstore and buy books. I see a police station and a fire station. They help keep the city safe. I go to the post office to send a letter. In the afternoon, I relax at the swimming pool. I visit the zoo to see many animals. I go to a fun amusement park. I walk by a stadium. People watch sports there. In the evening, I go to the movie theater. I watch a movie. Some people go to a church, a temple, a mosque, or a synagogue. They are places of worship. Others visit a monastery. It is a quiet place. This is my day in the city. The city has many places. Thank you for learning English with me. Like and subscribe to learn more. Goodbye.